Dreesen to Doyle. He'll lead the rush. In leaves for Gazowski. Gazowski cross seam. Smith to the front. Chance scores! Dreesen bangs home a loose puck, and the Hurricanes, a power play goal, makes it 1-0. Port will try and tap it off. McDougall, good forecheck, put to the front. Glove down, Price taps it forward. Breyer leaves for Yager. Left side waits, in front, Price a shot, scores! The Price is right! First is a Hurricane for Caden Price to double the lead, 2-0. Back to Braden Yager, it all goes through him. Edwards, left boards, back Yager again. Chadwick, right side. Yager, left side. Back in, shot, scores! He's on another level. And Roy, one of the best guys out there. Here's a chance in front of the net. Great save, rebound, scores. Matthew Gard stopped once, but not twice, so the Rebels are on the board. It's 3-1. Yager got slashed by Matthew Gard. Across, Breyer. Back up top, Peterson to Copeland. He fires, block came to the side. 31 saves for Cohen Cleaver. And the Lethbridge Hurricanes pick up a 3-1 win over the Red Deer Rebels, their 33rd win of the season. And their 19th on home ice. 3-1 the final as the Hurricanes win 7 of 8 in the regular season against the Red Deer Rebels.